इस फिल्म में, बिकॉज मेरा भी कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन है.
Hi, this is Mohit Rana here to the left.
Hi.
Hi.
Left.
Mohit from Filmi Mantra. So I have to say something to Varun and Janvi both. मेरी एक आदत है बड़ी अजीब सी कि जब भी मैं कहीं जाता हूँ किसी इवेंट में तो मैं सुबह सोच के जाता हूँ, गेस करके जाता हूँ कि जो सेलेब्स आएंगे वो किस तरह के कपड़े पहनेंगे, किस कलर के. तो थैंक यू सो मच जानवी एंड वरुण फॉर वेयरिंग द सेम कलर्स like I'm wearing this. I don't know.
Yeah, pink. We all wear
You won't believe it. I messaged Varun इस event से पहले और मैंने पूछा कि क्या पहन रहे हो और उन्होंने कहा कि मैं एक पिंक इंडियन कुर्ता पहना हूँ and we really didn't plan wearing pink together. इत्तेफाक से हो गया.
और मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि when you're working with a team like this जो इतनी फनी है, इतना ज़्यादा आप लोगों के बीच में प्यार है, when you were shooting बिजुरिया, how was that experience and did you miss Sania and Rohit?
I'll miss them. मतलब वो लोग हैं उधर.
But
I'll just make it clear, guys. So the film has it's a festival, it's a marriage. There are बहुत मेहंदी होती है, संगीत होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. So according to the screenplay, things are moving. You know. तो ये बिजुरिया जहाँ पिक्चर में आती है, according to the screenplay, we needed this part. Then Panwadi comes somewhere. We have another song, Ish Manzoor. We have a love song. So बहुत गाने हैं वहाँ पे. In fact, I have rehearsal videos with Rohit and Sania doing.
Proof दे दे भाई बाहर.
हाँ मेरे को देना ही पड़ेगा.
क्यों कटवाया तुमने इनका डांसिंग?
क्या है यार रोहित, यही जाएगा. But I have to tell you all one thing genuinely, not because Rohit is here. He's been such a wonderful person to work with. He's such a team player. He cares about things which are not only related to him, and he's just so giving in a scene. And I've had a lot of scenes. Actually, I think I have more scenes with you than Janvi.
Yeah, we have the most.
We have more scenes.
What are you saying? I have
think
more
we have-
scenes with you.
I have the most scenes.
How can you forget?
You all will be shocked when you see the final edit.
ये लोग खुश हो जा रहे हैं, इनको पता ही नहीं है.
No,
क्या
but
रहा,
I
क्या नहीं.
genuinely enjoyed working with him. In fact, I told him this before we started the film because I've been watching Mismatched and I'm a fan of Mismatched, and that's where I had. So even I ship Rishi and Dimple.
Why was there a pause?
No, there was a pause because we don't know what's going to happen in the next season.
Yeah.
So anyway, so even I really shipped them, and so I was very, very excited and very, very thrilled when Rohit said yes to doing this film. And there's lots in store right now. If you all are feeling कि there is थोड़ा सा tension है, ये है वो है, तो रखो वो पिक्चर में उसी को लेके जाओ and then see the film because there are a lot of twists and turns, especially with his character in this film and what happens over there and how he impacts Sunny's life, how Sunny impacts his life. So, yeah, and Sania, I mean, what to say, I've been a fan of hers since a long time. Since I saw I'm acting like she's here, but she is. Since she did Dangal, I thought she's an unbelievable actor, and I want to work lots more with her. And I think she's someone who's just like a natural talent, you know. Very few of these come through. And she's one of them. She's just amazing.
Thank you.
क्या बात है. रोहित, एक मिनट. पहले मैं चाहूंगा वरुण के लिए तालियां जो रोहित और सानिया पे निबंध इसने अभी के अभी बोला खड़े हो गए. Awesome.
कोमल जी कुछ तो पूछिए आप. कलेक्शंस को छोड़ के कुछ भी पूछ लीजिए आप.
Guys, एक second, guys. मेरे को दूसरी बार की मौका नहीं मिलेगा. I have to say this. I have to say this to Rohit. Rohit, I love you.
Thank you. एक मेरे को बात बता, तूने उन दो से सवाल पूछा है. इसको आई लव यू बोला, मेरे में फंगस लगी है या मैं तेरे को दिखा नहीं.
गलत कलर का कुर्ता पहन के आया.
नहीं, मैं तू एक बार मेरे लिए भी कुछ. थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे पता था, मैं तो ऐसी मस्ती ले रहा था तेरी. आई लाइक योर पिंक शर्ट.